everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So in today's video, we're going to be shopping Big Lots while I make some announcements. Okay everyone, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video. I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who have been with me for a while or even from the very beginning, I want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Now I'm noticing that everything Christmas is 50% off, and this was the same at Hobby Lobby, so you don't want to miss this because they have some beautiful items here at Big Lots. Now grab your coffee or your tea and a pen, a pad, or a calendar, and let's jot these things down, guys. Okay, now tomorrow we have Tablescape Tuesdays. I'm so excited. It's probably my favorite time of the week. Anyway, it's every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Any color, any style, any theme, and there is no guests tomorrow. Now guys, I would love for you to take these collabs and go ahead and make an announcement, even on your channel, to share these wonderful collabs with everyone else who might want to join who don't know about us. Now it's also a good idea to post these collabs in your community tab. Now let's move on to the next collab. Now on Wednesday, we have Decorate a Lantern, and I am so excited. It's the Christmas edition, so you guys can decorate your lanterns any way you want, and just let me know, use the hashtag, and I will pick up your video and add you to the playlist. I am so excited. Now I'm going to go ahead and leave you to a little bit of music as we finish off this video. I'll see you at the end. I hope you enjoyed the shopping trip as much as I enjoy showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.